Dear viewers, today we see the another mechanisms by which the regulation of receptor tyrosine kinase pathway takes place. First is protein maturation. Regulation can start before the receptor reaches the cell surface. The endoplasmic reticulum acts as a quality control center where misfolded or improperly modified receptor tyrosine kinases are targeted for degradation before they become inactive. Second is ligand shading. For some receptors like epidermal growth factor receptor, the ligand must be shed from the precursor protein on a neighboring cell. This process is catalyzed by the proteases, which is a critical regulatory step for the pathway to begin. Thank you.